Hi, and welcome to the channel. I have this stamp set by Hero Arts, and I will link that below. I am going to make two cards, one for Valentine's Day and one for a birthday. One is a one-layered card, and the birthday card is a two-layer card. I want to just have you sit back, relax, listen to some music, just see the inspiration of putting these cards together. I always enjoy watching people color and see how their cards go together. It's also wonderful just to see the mistakes that I make so that you know that we all make mistakes and how we can cover up those mistakes or start over and continue with our inspiration. I do hope this video helps you find some inspiration. I love to spread joy to others by sending cards in the mail instead of receiving a bill or junk mail. They actually get something that has meaning that you have created with your own hands, and that helps to spread joy, and we need joy in this world. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And tell me what kind of card in the comments below that you're going to create to spread joy to others. I love when we share things. Thanks. Well, thanks for watching. I'm adding this "Please deliver to the envelope. I think it's really pretty and takes up the envelope a notch, and you've done some quick mail art on your envelope. I don't think the recipient will notice the difference in the colors. I do love how it turned out, and it looks like the perfect birthday card. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. And thanks again for watching. Here's a suggestion from YouTube for something else you might enjoy. Have a great day.